Today we're going to see about phishing. What is phishing? And phishing attempt to fraudulently obtain information from a user, usually by email. Phishing is a cybercrime in which a target or targets are contacted by email, telephone or text message by someone posing as a legitimate institution or to lure individual into providing sensitive data such as personally identifiable information, banking and credit card details and passwords. The information is then used to access important accounts and can result in identity theft and financial loss. Common method of phishing attacks. Number 1. Offers. Lucratively offers an eye-catching or attending grabbing statements are designed to attract people's attention immediately. For instance, many claim that you have won an iPhone, a lottery, or some other lavish prize. Just do not click on any malicious email or suspicious email. Remember that if it seems too good to be true, it probably. The another one is urgency. A favorite tactic among cybercriminals is to ask you to act fast because the super deals are only for a limited period of time. Some of them will even tell you that you have only a few minutes to respond. When you come across these kinds of emails, it's best to just ignore them. Sometimes they will tell you that your account will be suspended unless you update your personal details immediately. Most reliable organizations give ample time before they terminate an account, and they never ask persons to update personal details over the internet. When in doubt, visit the source directly rather than clicking a link in an email. Hyperlinks. A link may not to be all it appears to be. Hovering over a link shows you to actual URL where you will directly upon clicking on it. It could be commonly different or it could be a popular website with a misspelling, or instance it could be a different spelling method used in that web URL. Attachments. If you see an attachment in an email you were not expecting or that does not make sense, do not open it. They often contain payloads like ransomware or other viruses. The only file type that it always safe to click on it, like .txt file. Unusual sender. Whether it looks like it's from someone you do not know or someone you do know. If anything seems out of the ordinary, unexpected, out of character, or just it is suspicious in general, do not click on it. These are the common features what we see now, or the phishing and the common phishing attacks. This comes under the cyber crime. People normally will do it on the email.